I'll show you how you can change your name on Facebook. First off, from your Facebook profile here, you want to get over to the left hand side here. After that, you want to go to settings. After that, when you're on settings, you want to go ahead and go to account center right here. You can tap on see in Moroccan center here. On here, you want to tap on the profiles you want to change. So for example, I want to change the name of this one here. And then on here, you can change two things, your name or your username. We're gonna go with name here, right? On name here, you can enter in the name you want. So for example, I want to change my name here to be John Doe, for example. And then the last name will be, of course, Doe. After that, you can tap on review change to review the change. And then if you can't type it like this, you can just change it again. So for example, John Michael, for example, you can also do that. So John Michael like this, and then you can tap on review change. And then you can be Michael John or John Michael, tap on save changes. After that, you can see it'll change just like that. Name updated successfully, and now our name has been changed.